Welcome. In this video, we will be determining whether this infinite series here converges or diverges, and I will be using the comparison test to do so. So let's begin by writing down a fact, and that fact is for values of n that are greater than or equal to 2, n is greater than the natural log of n. Please pause the video right now and prove this to yourself. I would suggest drawing a sketch of the line n at every integer and then graphing the natural log of n at every integer. Okay, now that you've informally demonstrated to yourself that this is true, we can say it follows that 1 over n is less than 1 over the natural log of n. And again, this is just for values of n greater than 2. Now, how does this help us? Well, let's examine this series. This is the harmonic series, and this will diverge. Now, we have shown that 1 over n is always larger than 1 over ln of n, and we have also shown that this series that is always larger than this infinite series diverges. So we can conclude by the direct comparison test that this series must also diverge.